Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Honorable participants, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. You must have heard about Pakhtunkhwa regarding terrorism and the sacrifices the people of Pakhtunkhwa has given for Pakistan. But today I am here to portray the contribution our province and our people are giving for our country. KP forest area is 37% of the land we have in whole KP, and it makes around 40 to 45% of the forest cover of Pakistan. And as a carbon sink, we are removing 50% carbon of Pakistan. According to the UNDP and the World Bank research, for this much forest area, you need at least 332 billion rupees per year. So I'm not able to invest this much money, but at least my province and my people are doing a job of this big amount, which is 332 billion, and we are working for our country, and we are playing our role, our part for our people, which are 25 crore in Pakistan. Our leader Imran Khan has championed the climate change nationally and internationally. And since 2017, in Pakhtunkhwa till now, we have spent more than 675 billion rupees to improve and increase our forest area. The international standard is 25%, but Alhamdulillah, Pakhtunkhwa is right now 26%. It means that we have achieved the international standards and we are above it. And if we say commercially, the land which is being used for this purpose, if commercially it is utilized in minerals, in agriculture, hospitality, and urbanization, so we can earn more than 217 billion per year. So basically we are sacrificing 217 billion per year for this, being the carbon sink for Pakistan, and we are proud of it. And the carbon credit potential in Pakhtunkhwa is around 100 billion. So I will have a suggestion here, keeping in view our neighborhoods, and especially we are a divided states, India and Pakistan, and our neighbor China also. India is giving 10% share of NFC for forestation. But unfortunately, we are not giving any share. So I will suggest that to encourage all this, if we give the share in NFC for deforestation, because climate change is a big challenge all over the world and in Pakistan also. So the provinces will get encouraged and they will work on it more and more. Aside from only this benefit we are getting from this carbon credits, we have given more than 1,75,000 jobs in this sector, because we have been working on these 1 billion trees, now followed by billion plus trees. So it is giving a great opportunity for the local people to get job opportunities. This budget of 24-25, when I took over as the Chief Minister, we have named this budget as a green budget. And Alhamdulillah, in thousands till now we have solarized our mosques, our schools, our universities, our colleges, followed by all the government buildings. And inshallah we will achieve this target in this government, that we will solarize all these areas and buildings to make KP a green province. We have given a package of 20 billion rupees to our people, poor people, and we are giving free solars to them. And 20 billion rupees, 50% is paid by the government and 50% by the individuals. So this project is also going on. We have some other projects also in which we are irrigating our lands, from which we get two benefits. The one benefit we get is that the food security, our food deficiency, and the second is that this barren land turns into an agricultural land, a green area. So we have a project, a joint venture between the federal government and the provincial government of the CRBC lift canal. which will irrigate more than 3 lakh acres. So we are going to start it, inshallah, this year. Similarly, we are going for a 5 billion project in Moman Dam that we are making an irrigation canal, which will irrigate more than 22,000 canal of land. And in this 1 year, our ongoing projects, we completed 4 of our dams, which are completed, and they are irrigating around 50,000 acres of land. So this also gave us a big help in form of our food deficiency in the province, as well for Pakistan, and turning these areas into a green. We have also the biggest importers of oil. So in KP, in this year, we have grafted 170,000 trees of olives. And we have a target of 1 million to overcome this deficiency of our oil also. BRT, we have made one BRT. People don't have the idea, they just took it as a transport. But I want to highlight over here that with this BRT, more than 78.4 million people had traveled in 4 years. And 128,000 tons of this carbon got removed. A less carbon is used. So it gives you 2 benefits. So in Peshawar, this BRT has helped us a lot, and we are also going to extend such projects to decrease our carbons. Unless we don't do these things, the challenge is we are going to see, we are foreseeing it. So we have to work in all these sectors to overcome this challenge, because the population of Pakistan is increasing. And here I also want to commend my people that in the population growth, we are also below it, not higher than that. So it is also something which is very important that I should tell you, that people think that the Pathans have more children, but right now the Pathans have come to know that not with more children, but with less and good children, you can do a better and a good job. We are also working on our health sector for our people, and we are the only province, we have given a universal health card to all the citizens of our province. Unfortunately, when we have gone through all these health bills which our people were spending from this health card, we came to know that 25% of the payment is getting done in cardiac, in the heart surgeries and in the heart issues. So we have made a state-of-the-art 250-bed hospital, Peshawar Institute of Cardiology, for this to overcome this challenge also. In the end, our sincere gratitude to all our international development partners for their unwavering support in helping us to achieve these milestones. So whatever we are looking ahead, we are also in touch with them, and I am looking forward that for this billion-plus project, as well as the other green projects for the province, we'll be looking forward for your support always. Together, we are building a sustainable and prosperous Pakhtunkhwa. Thank you.